With many parts in the schematic design, it can be time-consuming to identify and locate specific components. This how-to will provide step-by-step instructions on how to use the Highlight Parts by Property app in OrCAD Capture to quickly locate specific components in the schematic. Open the desired design in OrCAD Capture and select the .dsn file from the project hierarchy. Right-click on the .dsn file and select Edit Object Properties to open the Property Editor tab. Find the tolerance row and ensure component tolerances are assigned. Close the Property Editor tab. With the .dsn file selected in the project hierarchy, select EMA Toolkit Highlight Parts by Property from the menu. Configure the Highlight Parts by Property app. Set tolerance as a property name. Set value 1 to 10% and the color as green. Set value 2 to 5% and the color as yellow. Set value 3 as 1% and the color as red. Select Start to run the Highlight Parts by Property app. View the schematic. Parts are color-coded based on the component tolerance. Right-click on the .dsm file and select Edit Object Properties. A color property has been added to the Object Properties table. For more tutorials, visit us at resources.ema-eda.com. And don't forget to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel.